Hey, I'm JJ, and you're probably wondering, how the heck did this guy find the time to make another course? Well, the answer is I automate a lot of things with AI automations and AI agents, and in this course, I'm going to teach you how to do the exact same thing. Imagine an AI agent that reads your inbox, responds to stuff it can respond to, marks stuff as important that you need to respond to, and then filters out all the rest. It's that simple, saves you a lot of time. I'll teach you how. Or an agent that tracks competitors, analyzes changes, and sends you insight before your morning skate. That's the kind of power we're talking about. Sorry, Jim. But let's be real. AI agents aren't going to shovel snow for you. At least not yet. That's what kids are for. Put your back into it. I'll show you how to build 10 AI agents step by step, no experience needed. So if you're curious about AI, this is the perfect course to get started, whether it's for your personal life or your professional goals. There's an AI agent for that.